Hey guys, so this is my favorite stainless steel cleaner and polish. You spray it on, then you take a microfiber towel, wipe it down like this, and it leaves a little bit of a wet coat, and then once it dries a little bit, you just buff it out with the dry side of the cloth. It leaves a nice finish. I know some people like to use WD-40. I don't like WD-40 because it leaves that greasy look, and then any dust will just stick right to it, you know. So here, dry side, and that's it. Nice, beautiful. You can see the difference there. I'll show you here. See the difference between where I got it and didn't get it yet. Like that. Get the handle tool. And then dry side for the polish. Okay, look at this panel. You can see, right? This is all gonna look uniform once I'm done with it. Okay. Try to get every surface. If you're wondering which grill this is the XO XLT grill. It's not the Pro model. XLT grill doesn't have the briquettes. This has the lights around the rings. You see it change colors. So you know when the grill is on, it turns red. When it's off, it's blue. The lights are angled. The burner's on top. The infrared burner instead in the back. So there are a few differences between this and the Pro model. But look at that. It looks great. See? Cleaned it up real nice. Boom. Beautiful. 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 I'll do the same thing with the doors here. On the fridge, you'll see that. Look nice. Always want to go with the grain too. See, the stainless steel is going left to right. Just want to go with the grain there. And go with the dry side. Much better. See? Versus that, versus that.